Hi, I'm Jessica Neighbor, and I'm a voice coach for public speakers and performers. I can help you strengthen your voice so that you can feel more capable and confident the next time you perform or present to your audience. Being in front of an audience should not feel difficult. You can feel comfortable, confident, and even powerful with the right training. We can work together so that you can develop your own unique presentation style so that you can express yourself fully and so that you can leave your audience wanting more. I've developed the Vocal Impact Training Method over my 20 years of working with other great performers and presenters. You can work with me one-to-one, online, or you can join one of my online coaching courses and start your training today. I hope you can discover how vocal impact coaching can help you fully express yourself.